Today in this video we are going to cover few NCERT question, that is from the NCERT exercise of chapter Force and Laws of Motion. As you have done till 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4 are already done. So I am starting with question number 5. Question number 5 is a truck starts from rest, that means initial speed is 0 and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. It travels distance of 400 meters, that is distance, that is S. S is equal to 400 meter in 20 seconds, that means time. T is equal to 20 seconds. You have to find its acceleration and the force acting on it if its mass is 7 metric ton. So you have mass, that is 7 metric. Hint is 1 metric ton is 1000 kg. So they are 7000 kgs. So first of all, always write the given things. You have written U, T, S. Now use equation of motion, as you have to find acceleration and distance and time are given. So the equation of motion that fits here is S equal to ut plus half at square. Now if you solve this, 0 into something is 0, half a into 20 square. 20 square is 400 and this 2 will cut into 200, the 200a. 200 divided by 400 divided by 200, a is equal to 2 meter per second square. Now you have to find acceleration, you have to find force. Formula of force was ma, mass into acceleration. Mass is 7000 kg, so 7000 into 2, that is 14,000 Newton. Question number 6. A stone of 1 kg, that is mass again, with velocity of 20 meter per second. Now it is the initial, so u is 20, across the frozen surface of a lake and comes to rest. Rest means it is stopped, that means final velocity is 0 after traveling distance of 50. Distance is 50, that is S equal to 50. Always write given the quantities that are given to you with symbols. What is the force? You have to find the force. Now to find force, as we know, the formula of force is ma. We have mass, we have the mass over here 1 kg. You just have to find the acceleration. So to find acceleration, we cannot use S equal to ut plus half at square because we don't have any time. So the formula that we are going to use is the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2as. So find a with this. Now force is easy to find. Force is ma. So when you use the formula ma, you get the answer minus 4 Newton. Next, a 8000 kg engine pulls train of 5 wagons, each of 2000 kg. So total weight become 10,000 kg. If the engine exerts a force of 40,000 Newton and the track offers friction of 5,000 Newton, then you have to calculate these things: force, acceleration of train, the force of wagon 1 on wagon 2. Now first thing that you have to see is the force by engine is 40, force by friction is 5,000 Newton. So the remaining is 35,000 Newton force. So you will write all the given thing. Frictional force 5,000, net force would be subtraction of total and friction, that is 35,000 Newton. So answer A would be 35,000 Newton. The net force is 35. Acceleration of the train, how you will find acceleration of train? The net force is 35,000. Mass of wagons is equal to there are 5 wagons of 2000 kg, so total weight is 10,000 kg. So total mass of including engine would be m plus 8,000, that is 10,000 plus 8,000. Engine mass also gets included, that is 18,000. F is equal to ma or A is equal to F by m. So you solve this and you get the value of the acceleration on the train. Third is mass of 4 wagons is 8,000. Acceleration is 1.944. This was calculated in the B part. The force of wagon 1 on wagon 2 would be m into A. So the remaining mass is 8,000 because one is pulling each the other 4. So the mass is 8,000. 10,000 minus 2,000. Acceleration is 1.944. And when you multiply this, you get the answer 1,552 Newton. This question number 8. This you have to do yourself and just give me all the answers.